Folks, welcome to the channel. Today's video we got ourselves a new toy to hopefully help us mulch all of the leaves that are on the ground behind me. Let's check it out. Alright, I picked this up off of Amazon. It's from Worx and it is a leaf mulcher. This video is going to be me assembling it and then testing it out. I'll give you my views and thoughts on whether or not it was a good purchase. And yeah, that's it. Stick around. Alright, we got things out of the box. It is almost completely assembled. There's very few things to put together. This all comes in one unit. There's a little stand, and then you've got 3 legs that go into the stand, and then a couple of accessories here. Alright, we got most of this taken apart now. We had to take this thing out, take the lid off, and then this little orange piece comes out. Comes with a set of instructions and tells you what to do. The stand is now assembled here, and what we're going to do is put the base, this orange base down, and then we're going to put the black piece, this black piece right here on top, and then the funnel will go at the very top of that. What's pretty nice here is this comes with some additional pieces. So there's some strings here because this uses almost like a weed whacker. It uses a string trimmer to spin around and cut up the leaves as they come through. So, you know, over time these will wear out. So that's kind of nice that it comes with some extra ones. So we'll get this thing set up here and we'll go start chopping some leaves then. I now have this thing fully assembled here. Here's the way that I did it. Depending upon what kind of bag you're going to use down here, either if you're going to use a contractor's trash bag or like me, one of these leaf bags that are paper, you have to set this thing up. If you're using a plastic bag, you just tuck it in over top of this metal ring and just fold it around and it stays. But this one, the paper bag, sits up underneath kind of like that, and you can see hopefully where it comes out. Chute drops down inside the bag like that. Alright, well, we got it all cleaned up now. It leaves a lot of dust, so you're going to need to either sweep that into the grass or vacuum it up or something. I just put this down over here. I used my leaf blower to blow all the dust off of it to clean it up a little bit. That worked well. One of those. Yeah, overall, I think that worked pretty well. We put all the leaves into a bag. As you can see, I swapped things out and I ended up putting a plastic bag under here and then dumping the plastic bag leaves into the paper bag. Yeah, overall that thing worked out really well. Saved myself a bunch of time. So I came inside the garage because I could turn the lights on because it got dark outside. I just wanted to give my closing thoughts on the Worx leaf mulcher. This tool has turned out to be really helpful. I ended up doing my front yard in about 4 full bags worth. Last year when I did this, I think I ended up being somewhere around 9 bags, maybe 10 bags. So it reduced it by over half. I think the advertising of it says you could do 11 bags down into one. I didn't experience it being quite, you know, that significant of a change, but it did reduce it by over half. So if you are looking to pick one of these up, I definitely would recommend it. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.